This is butterfly mixie. When the customer is given to me, I seen all the direction. There is no screws and all, and how to be open is it is to be very confused. Okay, here only the lock system is there in the body. Only the three switches, switch, the rotary switch position. Here is the two screws, and in the top of this cabinet there is one screw for locking system. Okay, only the 3 points are to be screws, otherwise all are locking system. Carefully you must do the work. Okay, thank you once again. Here is the armature is the commutator segments are burned out, and I replace the new one armature. Okay, here when the armature is to be changed, then we must change the carbon brushes, new one. In that time the armature is life is very good. Okay, when the armature is to be changed, then we must change the brushes also. Thank you, thank you once again. Here is the lock screw, and we must coincide the lock screw position. Then we fit the top of the mixie. In this model, there is no screws in backside anywhere. Only lock system is there in this mixie. And here is we have the patience to do the job, and how to open it, the screw, the and screw and the top of the cabinet. Okay, we must carefully search the screws and all. This is the bottom and middle point is to be fixed in this switch. Okay, this is also in the lock system. Now it is locks. Okay, when the screw is putting, the lock will be closed. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.